by greatest integer 2 sin x dx. First of all, we plot the curve of 2 sin x. Here we plotting the graph of 2 sin x. So sin x is equal to 1 by 2. So x is equal to pi by 6, 30 degree and 5 pi by 6. Here if we put pi by 6, we get the 2 sin x 1, and also we get we put 5 pi by 6 and we get also 1. So here if we the limits are 0 to pi by x, we get the values from 0 to 1. The greatest integer from 0 to 1, it will be 0, and same condition is here. And also if pi by 6 to 5 pi by 6, we can take the interval from this one side, we get the values from 1 to 2. So greatest integer of 2 sin x in this region is equal to 1. Okay, and next diagram is there downside. if 2 sin x is equal to minus 1, so sin x is equal to minus half, and x is equal to 7 pi by 6 and 11 pi by 6. So here diagram 7 pi by 6 here and 11 pi by 6 here. So x is equal to 7 pi by 6, so 2 sin x is equal to 0, we get the value 0 from minus 1. So this area will be minus 1 for the greatest integer 2 sin x, and also this area will be minus 1 from 11 pi by 6 to 2 pi, and also 7 pi by 6 to 11 pi by 6, the greatest integer 2 sin x is equal to minus 2. You know that if minus 2 to minus 1 in the greatest integer, you can assume that its values is minus 2. Okay, so we have 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 integration. First and third integration also 0 to 1 is equal to 0, and this integration will be 1 from x from pi by 6 to 5 pi by 6, the greatest integer 2 sin x will be 1, and also this areas same value this area, and we know that the limit from 7 pi by 6 to 11 pi by 6, this areas will be minus 2. We know that the minus 1.2, we can take any value minus 1 from minus 2, so we get the greatest integer is minus 2. So here this value is 0, here this values will be 0, and this values will be 1, and this values will be 0, and 7 pi to 7 pi by 6, this values will be minus 1, and this value will be minus 2, and this one is minus 1. So we get the integration here. So here we need to find the integration this part and this part. We find this integration and multiply 2 times, and this find this integration. So integration of pi by 6 to 5 pi by 6 and 2 sin x is equal to 1, greater than 1, this is 1 dx, plus we need to integrate pi to 7 pi by 6, pi to 7 pi by 6, the greatest integer 2 sin x is equal to minus 1, this is minus 1 dx, plus we multiply because same integration like this, same area like this, so multiply 2 times, and we find the integration limit from 7 pi by 6, 11 pi by 6, 7 pi by 6 to 11 pi by 6. Okay, this is the integration value minus 2 dx. We calculate that first integration is 5 pi by 6 minus pi by 6, and second integration minus 2 7 pi by 6 minus pi, minus 2 times of 11 pi by 6 minus 7 pi by 6. So calculate that we can differentiate 4 pi by 6 minus 2 times 7 pi by 6 minus pi 6, so minus 7 pi minus 6 pi, this is pi by 6, and minus 2 11 pi minus 7 pi, this is 4 pi by 6, 4 pi by 6. So 4 pi by 6 here minus 2 pi by 6 and here minus 8 pi by 6, 8 pi by 6, minus 8 minus 2 minus 10 pi by 6, and adding 4 pi by 6, this is minus 6 pi by 6, 6 cancel out, this will get minus. So minus pi is the answer. Greatest integer 0 to pi minus greatest integer 2 sin x.